Are you ready to level up your iOS development skills? If you've been using custom UI colors with Swift and are curious about the new color sets introduced in iOS 11 and Xcode 9, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to effectively use Assets Catalog color sets. I totally get it. Switching from custom UI colors to color sets can feel a bit overwhelming at first. Many developers have faced this challenge, and you're definitely not alone. It's a common question in the iOS community. So, let's break down the specific question at hand. One user asked, how can we use Assets Catalog color sets in our projects? They mentioned they usually rely on custom UI colors, but are eager to learn how to implement color sets effectively. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. Understanding how color sets work is crucial. They allow you to manage colors in a more organized way, making your code cleaner and your design more consistent. Plus, they can adapt to different appearances like light and dark modes, which is a game changer. And stick around. I have a fantastic tip at the end that will make using color sets even easier. You won't want to miss it. To begin using color sets in your iOS project, the user should first open the Assets Catalog in Xcode. This is where all the color sets will be managed. Next, the user can create a new color set. To do this, they should right-click in the Assets Catalog and select New Color Set. This will allow them to define a new color. After creating the color set, the user can define the color values for different appearances, such as light and dark modes. They can do this by selecting the color set and adjusting the color values in the inspector. Now, to access the color set in code, the user can use the UI color initializer. They can retrieve the color by using the name of the color set they created. Finally, the user can use this color in their UI components, just like any other UI color. This makes it easy to maintain a consistent color scheme throughout the app. Fun fact: did you know that using color sets can help reduce the size of your app? By managing colors centrally, you avoid redundancy and keep your app lightweight. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach shared by a user addresses a potential delay when loading colors in a Swift package. They suggest using a specific method to access colors without delay. Instead of using UI color named, they recommend using UI color named example name in bundle.module, compatible with .current. This method targets the module directly and ensures immediate loading of colors. Let's take a look at an answer from another user. An alternative approach shared by a user involves creating a class in SwiftUI called Color Extension. This class extends the color type to include custom colors from your Assets Catalog. Let's move forward and look at another answer. An alternative approach shared by another user involves using SwiftUI's color structure. You can easily access your color sets by calling the initializer with the asset name directly. That's it for that response. Let's explore another one. An alternative approach shared by a user involves creating an extension for UI color. This extension allows you to unwrap colors from your asset catalog, making them easily accessible throughout your app. Here's the tip I promised. Always keep your color sets organized and well-named. This will save you time and headaches when you revisit your project later. And there you have it. You're now equipped to use Assets Catalog color sets in your iOS projects. Remember, organization is key. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.